Rahul always sat on the last bench, not because he wanted to, but because he was afraid. Afraid of English, afraid of speaking, afraid of being laughed at. Whenever the teacher asked a question, Rahul looked down. At home, his mother said, "English is important. Practice a little every day." Rahul replied, "I am not smart." One day, a new teacher came. She didn't ask questions. She told stories, simple stories, slow English. Rahul listened carefully. That night, he read one English page, only one. Next day, one more page. Slowly, he started understanding. Months passed. One day, the teacher asked Rahul to read aloud. The class laughed. Rahul's voice was low, but he read. The teacher smiled. Years later, Rahul stood on a stage giving a speech in English, from last bench to first row. Moral: you don't fail because you are weak. You fail because you stop trying. Subscribe for more interesting stories.